In this video, I'm gonna walk you through on how to fix missing drafts on TikTok. If you also want to learn how, then make sure you watch this video until the end. And before I move on, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you get notified for more future updates. Now there are a few reasons why this may happen. There simply could be a glitch or a bug in the system which may be causing that issue, or the second reason could be that the overall system of TikTok is down. So if it's the first reason because of a glitch, what you can do is you can just come over to your profile section and then tap on the three lines on the top right and then head over to settings and privacy. Once you're here, you just scroll down and tap on free up space, which should be under cache and cellular. Here you just want to clear the cache of TikTok. Tap on the clear option and tap on clear. Caches are the unwanted data and temporary files which have been downloaded automatically. Now what you do, you can just try refreshing your TikTok and try to check if it fixes the issue. If it still does not, you can now try to update your app of TikTok. Open up the Play Store or the App Store and then search for TikTok. Now updating apps also fixes the glitches or the bugs which may be causing that issue. So you just tap on update if there is an update on TikTok. Now the other thing that you can also try out is you can just clear the data, or instead you can just uninstall the app of TikTok from your phone and then again reinstall it. So updating also does not work, you can try out that. So you just uninstall the app of TikTok, and once it has been uninstalled, you can again install it and then log in. Once you log in and you still can't find that missing drafts, that means that the overall system of TikTok is facing an issue right now. If that is the case, then you won't be able to do anything and you'll need to wait out until TikTok fixes its issues. So wait out a couple of hours and you should be able to find that missing drafts option on your TikTok profile. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.